Good job. Okay, you want to pull now, Pella? You want to pull and let Ophelia ride? That's a good job. Can you help her, Papa?
Trying to push her? Okay. Now let's go this way. Pull that way. Pull. There you go. There you go. Bye. Go right into the bike behind you.
Watch out. Yeah, now you got it.
Go hard. There you go. Bye. Bye.
Catch her, that's the hill. Catch her.
Okay, turn that way. Go that way. You want to go for a ride, huh? Yeah. All right. Isabel wants to go for a ride.
Got her.
wants to go for a
Got her.
Give her a liner. Hey, do you like your little puppy? Right.
What's his name? Hold him out so I can get a video of him. Oh, he's so cute. What's his name?
Linus.
Linus. And what kind of dog is he?
A crested rat, or as you call him, a Chinese crested and a rat terrier.
Oh my goodness, he's cute. He's a cutie. He's adorable. He's adorable. How old is he?
Don't know exactly, actually.
Oh, he's so cute. He's so sweet. Look at that
Here,
face.
do this.
Oh, you look so pretty. That's